And blub, 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 says the 340. Vitamin C orange, 1970, the first year for the Plymouth Duster. And there's no mistaking the 340 from the simple fact that it's a LA light A small block, but it has big block pistons in it. Same pistons as a 383, they're the 404s. And that's why these things have big valves in them, and they really breathe, and they build a lot of torque and high-end horsepower. So they make these little lightweights, man, really fly very nicely. And the first year and the only year that has the little Valiant emblem on there, they dropped the Valiant in subsequent years and just called them the Duster. And he had a good run, I think, all the way up through 76. And then you had other makes come out that were not like the same body, but they called them Dusters, but they weren't really Dusters. Anyway, this one runs out beautifully. It's got a 355 in it in the rear end, 355 sure grip with the 4-speed, and it still works pretty good with the air still. And that vitamin C orange is like, this one guy told me, he goes, it's like St. Joseph's baby aspirin. And I was like, I guess, yeah. He was about pretty spot on because it's a real yellowy orange. If you look at a Hemi orange or a Tora red, it's much more red in there. And in the direct sun, it looks very yellowish. But the 1 year only, vitamin C orange. And the thing about it is, the color was originally derived from a very rare car called the Bengal Charger in 1968. The Cincinnati Bengals were starting the franchise, and a local dealer in Cincinnati wanted to order a special orange color for a Charger, and they said you have to do 50 as a minimum order. So we ordered 50 of them, and that's all that were made, were 50 of them. And if you can get one, you got your hands on a lot of money. And basically it was this color orange. It became Omaha orange or code 99, and then eventually morphed into the K2 vitamin C. And it became a high impact color for 1970 only, and then abruptly disappeared. So there you have it. Gauze Garage, Plymouth history, and the development of the color schemes that they put on there. And just remember, blub, blub, blub goes the 340. Thanks for tuning in. Gauze Garage.